With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let me explain this question to you. Two particles of mass 2m and m moving with speed v and 2v respectively perpendicular to each other after collides perfectly inelastically. Then speed of particles after collision, there are four options given. Okay, so this is the case of perfectly inelastic collision. That means particle will stick together after collision. So let's say this is x-axis and vertical as y-axis. So according to conservation of linear momentum, for any type of collision, linear momentum of particle remains conserved. So initial linear momentum is equals to final linear momentum, and initial linear momentum is for this particle m into 2v along y-axis means j cap, m into 2v along y-axis, that means j cap, plus for this particle 2m into v along x-axis, so 2m into v along x-axis, that means I cap. And final linear momentum, since total mass of the system is 2m plus m, 3m, and let's say final velocity is v dash, final velocity is v dash, so 3m into v dash, we have to find this v dash velocity. Okay, so we have to find this v dash. So from here you can see 2mv, so this is equals to 2mv I cap plus j cap is equals to 3m v dash vector, 3m v dash vector. So from here we can calculate vector v dash, which is velocity of these particles after collision. This is equals to m and m cancel out, so this is equals to 2v upon 3 I cap plus j cap, 2v upon 3 I cap plus j cap. So we have to calculate speed, that means magnitude of v dash. Speed means magnitude of v dash, magnitude of this vector. So this is equals to under root x component whole square plus y component whole square. Since these two components are having same magnitude, so this will be equals to 2 root 2 upon 3 v. This is the final answer. So option C is the correct option. I hope you have understood the explanation. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.